China's economy is on the brink of collapse. So in today's video, we are going to be breaking down what does this mean for us and answering that question of why is it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Guys, we talk about everything money, stocks, money management, trading, investing, news. So subscribe, join the team. So let's just jump into this. All right, so over the past 10 years, China's economy honestly has been on an absolute roar. Everybody wanted to work with the Chinese and they were the second largest economy in the entire world. With that being said, they were actually the largest exporters of products in the whole world, bringing the global economy up and roaring, and everybody wanted to work with the Chinese. They were honestly the production powerhouse of the entire world, and I think we all know every product is made in China. So they pretty much work with a variety of companies. But this past year, China's economy honestly has been struggling. They were actually pumping in billions of dollars to try to keep the stock market afloat, actually over $236 billion. And just recently, they did get a decent amount of buying pressure. In a single day, the Chinese economy did go up about 5% just because they did change some standards on a variety of things to try to prop up the economy, but it was short-lived. It went from being up 5% to only being up 1% in a single day. A lot of people were taking profits during this time. And the reason why we did see a decent amount of buying pressure in a single day is they actually changed some of the margin requirements for people, for beginners. They lowered them, making it easier to take on debt to prop up the economy. Guys, I think we all know, I feel like every country in the entire world is just taking on so much debt to just try to get through these hard times. But honestly, eventually we're gonna have to pay for them. I think we all know we're in a bubble of some sorts when it comes to debt. The US, the Chinese, most companies are. I don't think we'll see it pop just yet, just because the signs aren't there. But I think definitely down the road, all bubbles pop. Looking at, all the bubbles, looking at the tech bubble, the real estate bubble, all of them pop, and it's just terrible for the global economy. And with that being said, over the past month, Chinese stocks were honestly some of the worst performers this month, just due to the massive amount of sell-off that the whole market is getting, and especially with the Chinese. Now, they are trying to do a whole bunch of stock-based stimulus, very similar to almost like a commission base, where for each share you own, maybe you get a couple of dollars, but honestly, I don't think that's gonna do much when it comes to billions of dollars. But what does this mean for us? If Chinese stock market or economy crashes, what does this mean? Honestly, will it affect us day to day? Most likely no. What it's gonna affect is the companies that work directly with China. Here's an example. If Apple is making cell phones and they make them in China, maybe they will see some sort of production issues or production slowdown, which is gonna cause a revenue slowdown of Apple, causing the stock to sell off, which will definitely affect our economy here. So just because, yes, China is thousands of miles away, it's still gonna affect us with the companies that work with the Chinese. Because like I mentioned, the Chinese is the largest exporter of products in the entire world. Because the companies that work with the Chinese are definitely gonna see some sort of slowdown, whether it's production, revenue, or whatever it is. On top of that, right now, the Chinese unemployment is so bad that they've honestly stopped reporting it. Anytime we have high unemployment rates, I think we all know what that means for pretty much an economy. It's not thriving, it's not doing as well as it should, which definitely puts more tension into the markets, which is gonna cause more sell-off, and honestly, that is another reason why the markets are selling off in China. So guys, that's pretty much what's going on as a general whole. As well, there's a whole bunch of conflict and tension right now with the US and China. Some people say we're on the brink of war with them or whatever it is. So there's definitely a whole bunch of tension, conflict, which is gonna cause more panic, more reasons that a lot of people are not gonna invest or not gonna wanna buy things that are gonna stimulate the economy. So that's pretty much what's going on right now with the Chinese and what it means for us. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.